So I'll be going through a quick walkthrough of our project. So basically there are three phases. One is the project, this is the feeds page, and this is the spotlight page. So the feeds page is basically the landing page. So once you open the project, you can see all the events that have happened. So it shows that Janice Abraham has completed this project. So when people do things, when they complete projects, when they start projects, those updates can be seen here on the feed page. Next is a spotlight page. So this is basically like a profile page, so about yourself. So you can add in all this information. Right now I have not completed any projects, that's why I don't see anything here. So I can go here and these things are, I can edit them from my account. So if I go to my account, here basically I can enter all this information about me. So about me, my favorite things, my dream, things like that. This is my spotlight page. Plus also, since this is a parent-child kind of relationship, I can add a child to my profile. So if I have a new child, I can add the child's profile here, enter all the information about the child, and then I can toggle between my account and my child's account depending on what information I want to post. Now the main project here was about filling up this project pages. So basically how this works is that if someone sends me an invitation, I can see that over here saying that I have been invited by Janice Abraham to complete this project. If a project is in a planning phase, it's shown here. If it's in the active phase, it's shown here. So maybe I can start one project, like I'll start this one. I click on start project. I need to upload a video to share my story. So I'll upload a video here and then I go to next. I need to plan a project gift. So that means once someone else completes this project, this is the gift that they'll get. Now I can invite friends to do this project. So say I invite someone here, so I can invite them and I can go to send invitation. So now that invitation has been sent. So now this project now shows up in the active phase. So from here I can go to this place. Next, the second step here is to pick a challenge. So here I'm going to volunteer time and go to next. Here I need to enter all the information. So right now I'm just going to enter some test data about the organization. And I'm going to volunteer 40 hours. And now I need to upload a video. So I can do that right here. And this plays inline, so I can play the video as well. And then I go to complete project. So once this is done, if I go to my projects here, I can see that I have completed a total of 40 hours. So that's updated here in my spotlight page. And also I get this congratulations screen saying that you have completed and here is your prize. And all the summary about everything that I entered. And I can click on done here. So that's my project that I've completed. If I go to the spotlight page, I can see here that I have completed this project and here is the prize that I have won. So the second part is basically the CMS administration side of the project. So basically as the admin, I can view all this information. So if I go here to /admin, I can see all the users that I have. So these are all the users. And I can see all the projects. So here are the charity projects that are available. I can create a new project by going to add new project and I can add also information. And once I add a project here, the users can see it in the front end of the application. Here are all the things that have been completed. So if I go here to volunteer time, you can see that this person has completed this information like what we did previously in the front end. So all that information is seen over here. So each and every adventure that everyone completes can be seen over here by the admin person. Here are the prizes. So if I want to upload new prize images, I can do it from here. So all of this can be controlled by the admin from the /admin profile.